This video on the FARGO HDP6600 card printer demonstrates how to install a smart card contact encoder. A flipper unit must be attached to the printer in order to install a smart card contact encoder. Switch off the printer and remove the power cord. The smart card contact encoder kit comes fully assembled and ready for installation. Remove the flipper unit rear panel by pressing the tabs together and pulling outwards. Remove the printer corner panel by pulling slightly to the right and then outwards. The contact encoder tab fits into the right-hand guide slot in the flipper chassis. Place the encoder in position by inserting the tab into the guide slot and lining up the screw holes in the assembly with the holes in the flipper chassis. Secure the encoder in position with the two Torx T10 screws which are supplied with the kit. Connect the encoder USB cable to the printer USB hub, ensuring that the connector is pushed firmly home. Connect the encoder cable to the flipper unit circuit board. Replace the flipper unit rear panel. Before replacing the printer corner panel, make sure all cables are tucked out of the way. Replace the printer corner panel. Switch on the printer using the power button located on the right-hand side panel. Press the Tools button and then press it again to enter the Info menu. Repeatedly press the down arrow button until eCard Contact Yes is displayed. On your workstation, select Printers and Scanners. Select the HDP6600 card printer and then Manage. Select Printing Preferences. Select Utilities. And then Internal Printer Settings. The encoder flip angle may need adjusting if the smart card does not dock correctly in the contact encoder. To see more technical videos, please visit our HID YouTube channel.